making baked garden eggs, aubergine, maybe some of you know it as that. And I am going to do this with provincial herb and then put it in my oven with some olive oil, and then it's so delicious. Yeah. And there on this side I am making carrot pancake. Yeah, you hear me right? Carrot. What carrot? Carrot. Carrot pancake. No, I am making carrot pancake. Oh, the poor carrot. Anyway, I'm making carrot pancakes today. So this is the dough. So all you need to do, either you grate your fresh carrots or you do it like me. I cook my carrots to put and then grind them, and then I add my egg, a little bit of flour just to, make it sturdy so that I have like a kind of tighter dough. Yeah, and then a bit of sugar. I'm still on my diet, so no problem, but a little bit of sugar for energy and a little bit of baking powder, and then some salt, and then we're going to add a little bit of milk, like normal pancake, only with carrot and less flour. So I'm going to get my milk and pour it in. You can use soya milk and you can also use normal milk. So, okay, let me go. So now I'm going to put my milk inside. Adding the milk. Just a bit. And then we're going to mix everything. Heating it up already, and then we're just going to try the medium heat. On this side, I already sliced the garden eggs and lay them like this. So I am going to mix my olive oil with the provincial herbs and then sprinkle it all over the aubergine or the garden eggs. I hope it's not too loud. I hope you can understand me. Yeah, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and let it bake for maybe around 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm also going to show you what I will do with dried bread, or we also say stale bread from yesterday, or bread for after a week or so. Instead of wasting the bread, I can show you what you can do with it. So I think that's a good consistence, what I have here. Yeah, that's good. So I am going to fry it. Okay. Now over to the next side. And this is my frying pan. And all I do is just add a little bit of oil inside, as you can see. And then I will increase the heat now. And get a spoon. Something maybe like this. I got me something. And it could have been a little bit more liquidy here. I think I would like to do that. Add some more milk to get it liquidy. Okay, I'm also in a hurry. I am going to pick up my mama today. Yeah, my mom is coming to visit, so I am making something with vegetables for her. Yeah. So, I like always clean up in between. Yeah, so there's not much left back around here. Okay, I'm going to get my olive oil and then the provincial herbs and then mix them together. And okay, add a little bit of milk to it, and this consistency is better. Yeah, that's fine. So now I am going to fry, and you can tell I'm filming one-handed again today. Yeah, well, okay. Now we want to spread this all over the frying pan. Make just a thin layer. Like that. Okay, now we're going to let this fry until it's cooked. On my other side, here is the whole bread. They are already sliced, and they are, I would say maybe a month old. So I did freeze them and I defrost them. And now, for people who don't like to eat meat, you can use this also as a substitute. Then here is my provincial herb Pointe de Provence. And here's my cup. So I am putting like around, let me see, yeah, let's say 4 tablespoons of provincial herb. 4 tablespoons. And then olive oil, we are going to add it until it's full up. Okay, we will need, of course, some more oil. So I'm going to add some more olive oil. That's enough. Now I'm going to mix this. I'm going to add some salt to it. Not too much. And we are going to mix. I will use also the same mixture for the garden egg, but with a little difference. Here I have my brush, so I'm going to dip in. And then we're just going to put it on the bread, like that, you see? All over. You can take them apart. One fell. Okay, so here, put them here. And don't worry about the other side, we are going to put it on top of that bread. So now I will continue. Okay. And then we put one more on top. And then we do it too. We put some more light. Yeah, a bit of light. Here, we didn't get none. My battery is also about to die. Then this is like a steak substitute. Yeah, so you can even do it with your hands if you like, maybe with the gloves. I did buy myself some gloves, but to go and take it out now, I have no intention of doing that. And then we are going to bake these until they become crispy. My children, they like it also a lot, so I thought of making it also today, since we'll be having chicken again. So that's it. Let me wash my hands. And we're going to put this in the oven. So now for the next mixture, we still keep this, but now I'm going to add lemon in it. Lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. So let me go and cut my lemon and come back and squeeze the juice in it. So now I am charging my phone and recording at the same time. And I also got out my lime squeezer. Oh, you never know that you have a wound on your finger until you are cooking or doing things like this. Okay, now I'm squeezing my lime to get the juice out of it. So that's like one lime. Yeah, one lime to it. So you see, and we are doing our squirt again. Yay! Wow, that lime only had one seed in it. Okay, now we are going to pour it in here. Yeah, and then we are going to mix it. Then I carry you over to the next station. Here we go. Woohoo. There. Yeah. So now, as we did the bread, we're going to do these. Okay. And like always, do not worry if the others did not get enough. The olive oil will, you know, run through it. Yeah. So, and if you do not like all the herbs that is in provincial herb, you can do your own. You can use parsley, you can use basilicum, you can use majoran. What else? You can use thyme, rosemary. Yeah. There is a few herbs that I don't like myself, so I would not put it in here either. You know, I could make it my own, create my own herbal mix. So you would just put your own, what you prefer, into it. So put here. Smells nice already. And you see what I did with the rest of the pieces from the sliced aubergine. I use them up. Yeah, we don't waste things. I don't like to waste food. Yeah. So, oh, this brush is really good to do this as well. Look, I could only just lift it up and then, you know, add some underneath it. Aubergine is also a meat substitute for meat. So you could also use that. Yeah, and we are done. We are now going to put this. Still have some more herbs though. Let me put them underneath here because, I mean, why should I keep it? Okay, wait, we still have a little bit more left. Oh yeah. Okay, now we just put this in the oven and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. Sorry for the one hand filming again, but I have no other choice. Okay, let me put it in the oven and then we'll take a look at the pancake. So, on top you can see it's cooked. Now we only need to flip it over. Nice color too, right? Smells good as well. This is how I'm going to proceed until I finish my whole dough or batter. Yeah, so you will see me in my next video, and in my next video I will be showing you how I will use this roasted red rice flour to bake a cake. Okay, thanks for watching, and as always at the end of the video you will see the result of the dinner or my recipes, and I will link this recipe also down below in the comment section, or rather in the description box, and in the comment section you are free to give your opinion on it. Here I have some kohlrabi. I'm going to make a salad out of this. Very simple salad. We cut this, dice it up, add some soy sauce, soy sauce, and sesame seed oil, and you're good to go. Okay, so let me do it.